third generation, integrated circuit devices are invented. Mm, invented. Microelectronic technology was introduced that made it possible to integrate the large number of circuit elements into very small surface of silicon, known as a chip. So chip was invented in the year third generation of 1964 to 1971. In the fourth generation, there are lot of private concerns like Apple Macintosh, IBM, Dell, Acer, Lenovo, like that. They are invented the processing processes, Intel. These processing systems, the processes will play a fast, accuracy and reliability. It will give the computer system. So human will enjoy the accuracy. So this fourth generation will give the very good result for computer systems. Now we are going to see about called how that flowchart will work. It is represent the fundamentals of computer system in a very simple and powerful way. For example, calculating the devices, Abacus, Napier, and Pascal, and Leibniz calculations methodology in this 1671. So, computer system using for calculation methods in the early days. After that only we are creating a many applications for their day-to-day life of activities, human day-to-day life of activities. That is called as a programs, garbage and analytical engines and Lawrence programs, that and all comes under the programming concept. Now we are using machine language, assembly language, high level language, 4GLs, all languages parallel processing systems were integrated. Information storage, Jacquard punch card in the year 801 and punch cards are for data in the 1890. That and all comes under these categories. Then logic, Boolean, and the circuits and logics are invented. That also directly come to first generation, second generation, third generation, microcomputers, and fourth generation and fifth generation. Then principles of computers like turning instruction sets and Newman principles and computers are invented. That also will be integrated with our generations. Electronics, magnetic data storage, and deforest values, short keys, integrated circuits, microprocessor, then Lewis technologies, ULS. This also collectively we call it as computers nowadays. Computer systems and concept. Computers, we already discussed it, it is made up of hardware and software. So, hardware, the physical device that makes up the computers are called hardware. The hardware units are responsible for entering, storing and processing the given data and then displaying the output to the users. The basic hardware units of a general purpose of computers are keyboard, mouse, memory, CPU and monitor and printer. Software. The term software refers to a set of programs and instructions that help the computers in carrying out their processing. In the very first slide itself, I explained what is processing. The same thing here it is, we call it as a software. Software is a very necessary for the proper functioning of a computer. There are mainly two types of software. One is application software and system software. Data. Data refers to a raw facts and pieces of information that is usually entered into the computer systems by the user. There are two types of data. One is qualitative data and quantitative data. People, computer systems are designed by the people, for the people. People therefore include the people who design and build hardware and software, and the people who actually use the computer system for their application, known as a user. So, If the system, we say it is a computing system, means the computers in computing system, it's having four main part of activities. One is hardware, and another one is software, and data, and the user.